Hey, Matt! Do you hear that? What is that?
There she is. Let's go. Oh, I need gas. Bro, there's way too many people at this gas station. I'm gonna be honest, I really don't know where I'm going. I think I'm gonna go take some photos though. This car is way too loud, bro. Just listen. We're gonna go in here and take some photos real quick. Park on the grass. Let's get something for Instagram later on today. There's a freaking stick underneath this freaking wheel. Hold on. That's better. Looks good. So you guys, I'm gonna go in the store really quick. I'll be right back. Video's not over yet, guys, but let me know what you think of these little vlogs. I'll keep doing them. Just trying something new to see if you guys like it. I got one more thing I'm gonna do. All right, let's see if we can get it to shoot some flames.
It's gonna be extremely loud in here too.
All right, you guys, that was just way too loud. I think I'm gonna end it right there before my neighbors call the cops. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm gonna go over the footage and see if it shot flames. Even if it didn't shoot flames, I'm still gonna add it in. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.